Alright, if you found this YouTube, you have questions about how to water your snake plant, and I'm just going to cover it super quick. It's pretty simple. If you have other questions about snake plant tips, like how to fertilize it or the best soil mix or pots or like troubleshooting questions, check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. I break it down really simple, so you can just pick and choose what you want to watch. But as for watering your snake plant, these don't need a ton of water. They're like succulents, so you want to be careful not to overwater them. So the best thing that I do is I water it every 2 weeks, and I just soak it once every 2 weeks, and then I just let it dry out. And this is for indoor snake plants. So I just use a bucket and like literally just water until it looks like all the soil's wet. It doesn't even have to be a lot. You want to see some of it come out of the bottom. And then once it does, let it dry out for the next 2 weeks, and then just water it every 2 weeks, and your snake plant will be very happy.